Khubor Phibaro Shakathuk Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Jumat Bakongsan mentah ke Sengi Shillong. Tenra ke kali tata punch ya ke truk dumper Hanongpo. Da ke training yoga penkre ke RBDYSA ya ke Samla na ke bentah ke National Games Arajar Apunyo. Bat peli patba ke Nirmala Sitharaman ya ke Organic Spice Processing Plant Haribhoi. Bat mentangin pa ya ke Khubor bakampanya. Kawai ke kali rit tata punch kepada new registration number ML Shipaudi Henrio Kendai New Sao kalau tenrak nadin ya kawai ke trak dumper kepada new number ML Katway A R Sao Pran Rio ha kamiat kat pratarik Jylliew hasurok ba nongpo. Kat kum kejingat hu jing kita long Khubor ke bela UI ke ni ke layat hu ba kejinglet tenrak ke ni ke kali rit ke leja ke pormiat kemba Shipau be GAA. Kini keturok kebayat Sukijai kadang wan kit Mauria nasional killing ban penhak mapaham seim nongpo. Henry kensan kekali tata punch kalawan tenra sendon nadin jeng ni keturok dampa bat kala prapum haki benta besyakmat. Hakini kejingja unongnya jong kekali tata punch ula mensau bat lepin kit nok marmar she civil hospital nongpo ban yo kejing sumar bekerke. Kipulit kilapoi marmar she kini kejaka ban tokit halor kini kejingja bat latano ya kini ki artli ki kali shathanat nongpo. Shim tip ya ki kerteng jong kinongnya kini ki artli ki kali.
Retired police ya. Langsung thai. Tidak pun fikir cium melihat tulisan movie. Ada pun tidak.
ना बहुत रिस्की रहता है ये महिंद्रा शोरूम महिंद्रा फाइनेंस शोरूम में ये
Tuai rumah dari luar sana. Luar ni langat ni lah. Pura good. Mai ko do.
Kajing penkre ban raki ke International Yoga Day kabelong manlau snem haga arpoi terik Jylliew kalalong ru kalat ya ke Ribhoi District Yoga Sana Sports Association RBDYSA ban penpriang ya kejing tip syapang ke yoga kamtam nilai na kebenta ki Samla ki ban shimenta ki jing yakop beper ha ke National Games Arajar Apunyo ke banlong hakini ke Jylla. Lingba ke training yoga lapen kre iki Samla ke Ribhoi District ban yakun hak jing yakop babunjat ha ke National Games. Hakini kajing penkre ka RBDYSA ringkat kajing terelang bat kamera Yuva Bharat Riboy kalapenlong ya ke program ajing hikai yoga Habalawan College Umsning hakaba dekispangut ki Samla pule kilawan ban shimenta. Shwaban penkut ya ke program Kanasha Muk Bharat Sapta bat ke Office District Social Welfare kila pelongru ya kajing bam smai bat kajing soi kerteng ya barok ki Samla ban penskem ya kajing terelang ha kajing kun persya ya kajing di bat kajing bam berpenbuat. Ha kini ke program na don lang kinoyelam bat kinongkit kam ka RBDYSA kiba kentup yo President Samla Wan Borlang Malnyang, Vice President Samla Priscilla Shongwan, Finance Secretary Samla Alfred Doloy, Treasurer Mamuni Dingdo, Organizing Secretary Samla Babylon Lingdo, but Publicity Secretary Samla Mirabel Kshiar, ringkat kidukot jangkani ke association. Kini ke International Yoga Day mentau snem, kalashim ya ke pang pedeng, yoga for healthy aging. Kebepen i ya ke jingdon kam jong ke yoga ban kentiu ya ke kot ke kia, ke bormet bat ke jingklan ke perkat ke perdan jong breu. Kinongkit kam kini ke association, kila penpau, ba ke jingtmu jong kini ke program, kamkut tang hakaba pensapriang ya ke jingtip syapang ke yoga, Henry ke deiru ke lat, banwat bat say ki Samla ki badon sap ha kini ke jingile kai, kenang ban penkre iki, ban yo ban mi kmat ya ke Jylla ha ki lumpung ki bahe kumha ke National Games.
Stand everyone, position. Keep your hands on your waist and slowly, gently bend backward. Now 1, 2, 3, slowly. While you bend backward, inhale, okay? And slowly come forward, exhale. Let's do it again. Inhale. And exhale, okay? You can do it, I have faith in you, okay? Let's do it again. Inhale. Exhale. This, okay? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the entire body stretching. Feel it. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now slowly remove your hands and came back into your position. Slowly. Breathe out. Silent everyone. Please focus. Try to be calm. Yoga is meant for a calm environment. So let's give ourselves peace and calm. Okay? Let's do it one more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Can you feel the pain at your back? Yeah. You guys have back pain, I know. Because of studies, I guess.
And the power of youth has an important contribution in the development of society and country. Therefore, it is very important that maximum number of the youth join drug-free India. Accept
play dan benta jong ke Balawan College mo. Kini ke institution bala priangsuk ya ke jingkarpan jongi ke association ban penong yang program. Subah sara alam yang ke Khubor ban ai ke Khublai dan benta istasta hak bay dai ban penong yang program kasih. Nganong syemhan yang Khubor nakwa ban ong syabun keren basuha ban mam yangi ka association namar kawai namar bangi la Islam ni Khubor ni syem yang ni ka kawai ke jimpak la ka jami bagi mla ban biang ya kum bangi la ya Bu yang ni kepor. Bat kebang
Kanirmala Sitharaman Ministry Finance but Corporate Affairs ka Sarkar India hagas ngi kha khandai tarik Jylliew kala plipat ba ye ka Northeast India's largest organic spice processing plant bala ai kerteng Eastern Ribhoi Organic Farmers Producers Company Limited Hashnong Lumdat Club Hoi Rambong Ribhoi District. Kani kadai ka karkhana tilyat Muslim Muslab hetam hakathain la mi ngi kari India. Kani ka karkhana kan penmi bat penjanai ki marep organic latei hakajingdot ke bala kot syaka laipau kelur tingka bala bepisa de ke Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA lingba ke focus program but ke International Fund for Agricultural Development IFAD hapo ke Meghalaya Livelihoods and Access to Markets Project MEHU. Hakini ke program la sakhiru ia kajingnya soy but kajingnya IT markeliang ya ki memorandum of understanding hapadeng ki company bapher but ka Eastern Ribhoi Organic Farmers Producers Company Limited ban kentiu but penya yo ya ki marrep bala penmi na kini ke Jylla. Hakini ke program klipat ba la donlang umintri rangba ukonrat ki sangma umintri rangba ka Sikkim Prem Singh Tamang Usembut Menteri Rangba Bak Preston Tensong, ki Menteri Sarkar, ki MLA, ki Head Officer na ki District, bat ki Pat Bat na kini kathan.
Last week I had visited some of the units, not for ginger, not for any of these products, but for those local dryland area farming products. I would think there's so much of learning for those units which are in North Karnataka, which I personally monitor, for them to learn from the quality that you've set up here. Very well done, Meghalaya. The transformation underway in Ribhoi therefore shows how targeted investments, community participation, and institution building can actually create durable and inclusive development outcomes. This project also demonstrates the power of leveraging externally aided and convergence financing for grassroots transformation. Later in the day, I will attend foundation stone laying ceremony of multiple external aided projects. Consider what this plant will handle. Media is present here, and I would specifically like to draw their attention on what this plant will be handling. Lacadon turmeric, which received its GI tag status in 2024, carries a curcumin content of 7 to 12%, more than twice the level found in most commercially traded Indian turmeric varieties, and is valued by wellness, nutraceutical, and functional food markets globally. It is indeed the miracle spice of Meghalaya. This unit will be handling that as well. Meghalaya ginger is the other product which this unit is handling. There are two varieties, Nadia and Varada variety, is earning recognition for low fiber content, plumpy rhizomes, and excellent dry matter recovery. The global ginger market is projected to approach $7 billion by the year 2030. The highest growth segment within this market is certified organic ginger sourced from traceable high integrity origin. Meghalaya is precisely that origin, and Meghalaya's ginger meets the traceability test, and therefore here you're dealing with two almost premier products which has global standards. For decades, many regions exported raw produce and imported prosperity. The objective today is fundamentally different. We must export finished products, trusted brands, and world-class quality while retaining.
But daki tuki Khubor ngila poi shikabakot tar hadup ngina shambyang kublay shibat.